Alright boys, we're playing FC24 from Xbox Game Pass through cloud gaming on a Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and believe me, it is amazing. I've connected the PS5 controller because it's my favorite controller. I mean, between this and the Xbox One. I've tried so far UFC 5. Amazing. Now,
the excitement continues, and if they get the right result, they'll book for
the thing is, this is a budget tablet.
What is a glorious night for football, perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray.
Now, there's two things you need in order to get this kind of gameplay, which is perfect. You need a very good Wi-Fi, and you need to put the tablet on game booster mode. This tablet actually has this. It's like putting the, what do I have? I have the Legion Go. It's like putting the Legion Go on performance mode. So, ooh, I shouldn't have done that. From FC24, this is my favorite mode. Euro. So I keep doing this kind of gameplays, whatever I have to show. I wasn't expecting this to be this good. Like, this is absolutely amazing. You just need a Xbox subscription, which is a little pricey, but not really for the games it offers. You know, it is what it is. But this kind of a gameplay,
as though they might be onto something for a second or so. Well, a joy to watch.
what?
Malaka.
I have to try some shooters,
Chance to play it in.
but I think they're gonna all run perfect. This FC24 is a pretty big game.
Well, Jude Bellingham has become one of the finest all-around midfield players in world football. That's no exaggeration. What do you expect to see from him today?
Well, the best players can play inside areas, and he can certainly play inside areas, in and around the box. His creativity is excellent. Playing little one-twos, balls round the corner, linking up with other teammates, just to have that little bit of penetration. He's going to be key to breaking down this defence.
Oh, breezing past him.
Now let me tell you something. Between PS Portal, Legion Go, and game on this tablet, this one has the best colors, to be honest with you. It's quite impressive.
Was it a great clearance? Chance to take the lead.
Oh, easy peasy. See, on the Legion Go, when this was coming up between the gameplay, these cutscenes, I was always having problems. It was always lagging, but for some reason, probably, like I said, when I install the game, especially on the Legion Go, I tried tweaking it, go settings, grass, blur, a lot. I messed the game up very bad. That's very bad what I do with all the games. At one point I was playing FIFA with no scoreboards, no cards, no nothing. I was messing up with all these crazy settings.
Possibilities in the centre.
Jesus.
Well positioned to clear. Wanted to keep it.
I saw that cunt and I was still. Brr. Oh.
Making progress. A disappointing end to the move.
Oh my God.
Oh, managing to beat him. Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Could be dangerous. Oh, might be.
Oh my
A chance
God.
that a needed
Really?
piece of position.
Well, he's
It was
got
that
the
bad.
target there. What a waste that is.
I have to try all these games that Game Pass has to offer because this is brilliant.
Alexander-Arnold. Walker.
I have to try the PS remote play. Will it work?
Space to cross it. And the referee felt he had to blow the whistle. Well, straight into the meat of the penalty area.
The
Short
meat?
for the clearance.
That's what he said.
Declan Rice. And he could really get at the opposition. Foden. Oh, could be. And
God
just
damn
enough
it.
defensively.
No.
And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, advantage with them. Referee says play on. Can they convert?
Ooh.
Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Well, they might be trailing, but hope in the form of a corner.
What?
And not cleared away properly. And stopping the danger. Nicely blocked.
Finally.
Well,
I have it.
behind here, but only due to some incredible goalkeeping. Surely it's only a matter of time if they keep piling on the pressure like this.
Yes, they just have to make sure they stay defensively compact here.
Ooh la la.
Chance to cross. Oh, it's a superb challenge.
Right when I was
Very
about to
timely.
shoot.
Well, they're getting right on top of their opponents at every turn. Now doesn't get away with it. Free kick given.
Ah. Stupid.
Trippier. Phil Foden now.
Ooh.
Kane. Well, the fans want to see a shot.
God damn it.
A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here.
Yeah, resume. I'll do the second half as well. I'm actually amazed at this gameplay.
So back underway here into the second half.
So you
Really
need
good attacking play.
this tablet, which is around £200, and you can get it in installments or blah blah blah,
Racing
in the
forward,
Xbox
trying
Game
to
Pass.
catch them out.
And this is what you get.
A pretty ordinary challenge. Not all that hard to deal with crosses like that.
Ooh.
Good tackle.
Come on.
You certainly have got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Stuart.
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half. Not only did he get the goal that gave them the lead, but his general play was really good.
Oh, it's developing nicely for them here. Oh, tremendous.
I have a good
I
goalkeeper.
have to say, that's a magnificent piece of goalkeeping. That's a great stop.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Committed to
Yeah.
making the substitution here. But he's gone short with it. Harry Kane slips it through.
Ooh. That's
And
one.
Bellingham. Will it be? Oh, that's
I knew it.
goalkeeping. Who can they pick out? They
Jesus.
fist it away. Rice. Can they open things
Oh
up?
my
Well, it looks
God.
so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome.
I should have lowered the difficulty to make it look like I'm way better at this game. because I'm professional.
Good work
I'm
from
struggling.
England to win back possession.
Oh my God.
Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. And the danger clear.
Too much.
Stopped them in their tracks.
Too much of nothing. I was dribbling myself.
And we're into the final half hour. And Harry Kane might do damage. There it is.
That's it.
To the good now, and that gives them a buffer.
Alright, boys, we're gonna leave it there. This was the gameplay. I'll come up with more. Hope you boys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.